Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. If this is your first time of watching my video, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in today. I love you guys and I appreciate you all for always watching my videos, and also for the comment that you guys have been dropping lately. I want to tell you guys that I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much, and may God continue to bless you guys. And if you are seeing this face for the very first time and you haven't subscribed yet already, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button on your screen. If you do not forget to turn on your notification button so you'll be notified anytime I'll be uploading a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 6 beautiful shower gel. Now, the first shower gel I'll be talking about is White Care shower gel. Now, I got this shower gel about 8 to 10 months ago. Okay, so that was actually my second time using this particular shower gel. Now, let me tell you guys the reason why I love this shower gel from experience. This shower gel doesn't whiten the skin. I love the fragrance. The fragrance is superb. It smells so edible. Like, guys, if you are the type of person that like a very calm fragrance, you would definitely love White Care shower gel because the fragrance is dope. Okay, and it doesn't whiten the skin. It doesn't give bad effect. Okay, so it just kind of even out your complexion, brightens your skin and hydrates your skin. So if you have a very terrible dry skin, this shower gel will be suitable on your skin, and it's very big. This can actually last you for like 2 months if you are using it alone, and you can use it on your face as well. It's as mild as that. Okay, if you have sensitive skin, you can as well use it. White Care shower gel have about 3 different types. It has the carrot, the cucumber, I can't remember the other one. Okay, so I got the carrots and it was really good on my skin. And then another thing I love about the shower gel is the fact that it does not give that white patches on the skin. It doesn't leave your skin feeling dry after using it. And I mostly recommend this shower gel for advanced people, especially those that are above 40, or those of you that always complain of white patches and all of that stuff. You can get this shower gel and it will do a very great job on your skin. You don't need to change it. You can use it as long as you want. Okay, and then the second shower gel that I want to talk about is Make Me White shower gel. I know this is not my first time talking about this particular shower gel. This is not my second time either. Okay, now I'm going to tell you guys the reason why I kept on talking about this shower gel, and the reason why I love this shower gel is not just because it whitens alone, because it's one of the best shower gel that I've seen that actually give that whitening effect. Forget all the lies of glutathione that they will always put strong whitening, advanced whitening, blah blah. That does not really give that effect that you want, okay, or expected because of what is written on it. But you see, this Make Me White shower gel, as the name implies, make me white. This shower gel is going to make you white. I'm not going to lie about that. I got this shower gel about 3 years ago. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you why I love this shower gel. There was my schoolmate then. I was still living in Edo State, so I came to Lagos. She left from Benin to Lagos, so we haven't met for like 2 years. So when I came to Lagos, we met. She came to my house and I saw her, somebody that you've not seen in a long time or in a while, and the person was just looking different, white, beautiful. Her skin was so even and I was so eager. Then I was using what's it called, Fair and White, sorry, I was using Nivea Fairness, and my skin was good. It wasn't bad at all, because of how her skin was looking. It was so beautiful. I'm like, oh, Ella, what do you use on your skin? And she told me. I said, okay, I'm gonna buy it. So I got Make Me White shower gel and I was using it with my other friend. Guys, within 2 weeks if you are using this particular shower gel, leave a comment under this video. Within 2 weeks my skin was all fair. And then I haven't really gone deep into skincare formulation promising whatsoever, so I was just so flabbergasted. Yeah, that is the word I should use because it was really working, guys. So if you want that whitening effect, get Make Me White shower gel. Okay, so I will still come back to this Make Me White shower gel later. I'll tell you guys what you can use this shower gel to do. The third shower gel I'll be talking about is K Brother shower gel. Now, if anybody tells you that K Brother shower gel can give you up to 2 shades within 7 days, that person is a bloody It can never give you up to 2 shades or even 1 shade within 7 days. K Brother doesn't whiten, it doesn't lighten. What it basically do is just to even out your complexion, get rid of dirt on your skin, and you know, helps to smoothen your skin basically. I have a friend that is using K Brother shower gel, and she's actually dark in complexion, and she has been using it for like months and months and months. Her skin is not white. So if you want to maintain that beautiful caramel complexion that you have, you want to maintain your fair complexion, you just want something to keep your skin beautiful, get K Brother shower gel. Bear it in mind that it's not going to whiten you. It's basically just a maintenance shower gel. That is what it is. So the fourth shower gel I'll be talking about is glutathione black. Now glutathione black, the black one, so that's why I indicate it. I have my notes. The glutathione, the black one, I will leave the picture on the screen. This particular shower gel is good, okay? It lightens, but it doesn't whiten. It's after you must have finished the first bottle before you will even notice that, oh, this shower gel is kind of, you know, brightening me, but it will not whiten your skin. So this particular shower gel is very, very good. You can use it to do a lot of things. For those of you that promise, it's very good for the skin. It will leave your skin very, very smooth. It will helps to get rid of dark spots on your skin. At the long run, you will definitely see the result, but it doesn't whiten. I'm just here to clear your doubt. If you think glutathione whitening shower gel, the black one, whitens, it doesn't whiten. I've used it countless times. I'm just speaking from experience. It's not like I've used all this shower gel. I think I've used about 4 of them. Yes, and I'm speaking from experience. It doesn't whiten, okay? And then the 5th one is Dove. Ah gosh, I love this shower gel. See, if you want that type of shower gel that will give you that creamy feel, you know, that will help to hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, soothes your skin, go and get Dove shower gel. This shower gel is good. The fragrance is nice, so beautiful. If you want to maintain your complexion, you can use it. If you have dry skin, you can use it. If you want something to soothe your skin, to help to hydrate your skin and moisturizes your skin, Dove shower gel is made for that. It will hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, especially for you, those of you that have dry skin. Dove is really, really nice. And then the 6th one is Gluta White. Now Gluta White does lighten the skin. It doesn't whiten, it lightens the skin. It can give you up to 2 shades. I don't know the type that you use, but I'll leave the picture of the particular one I'm talking about. This is actually good for promising though. Very, very nice for promising. It's very, very versatile when it comes to promising. So this particular shower gel is good.